Alexa, stop. Hello, back again. You can probably see on my screen I've got data already to play around with. This is not anything specific, it's just to give us something to play around with. Today we're going to be discussing COUNTIFS, which is basically a count based on a condition. So we've got a column for ID and we've got a column for country. So that's it. These have just been manually typed in and that is it. So what I want to do is show you how a COUNTIFS work. So let's give it a title first of all. So COUNTIFS, and then I'll put in brackets for the ID column. Okay. And equals COUNTIFS open bracket, click on the formula. And what we want to do is basically count column C based on the ID. So in other words, how many IDs are there in this column that are the same? So I'm going to select the criteria range as the whole of column C. And I'm going to put my criteria to just C2. Now I don't need to absolute this and fix it for the purpose of this exercise, because I'm going to pull it down all the way down the column. So click OK, and it's saying 6. So I'm going to drag that down like so, and we can test some of this data. I'll just tidy it up a bit. We can test some of this data. So if we just quickly, I could throw, should we throw a filter on? Let's just data filter. So now if I said, right, go and just show me the ABC001s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is what is counted in this column. So if I kill the filter, and we'll just check some ABC005, it's saying I can only count 1 in the list. So let's go down. Can we see any more? No, we can't. Quickly do this one. ABC007, it's counted 3. So 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So what we can also do is same thing for the countries. So COUNTIFS and country. So equals COUNTIFS. I want you to go and basically look all the way and search through column D, and I want you to start with the criteria of D2, which is this one, and click OK. Drag this down. So let's just tidy that up a bit. Okay, so it's saying I can count 3 countries labelled India. Okay, so if I'll just do this with a quick filter. Click India, click OK. There's the 3. We'll do this one here, which is 4 for France. 1, 2, 3, 4. And basically that's how COUNTIFS work. You can, if we just step into this, you can apply as many criteria ranges and criteria as you wish, and then it'll go and count based on that criteria. So relatively straightforward, and obviously I've only selected a bit of basic data, 2 columns, just to show you how it works. So that gives you an illustration of how COUNTIFS works.